Jonathan here with Colonial Machinery Sales. Today we have a cleaned and checked out BRUSA Orbital sanding machine, model number LPC 160, stock number 785. This machine can sand straight, bent, shaped, round, oval, elliptical, or irregular shaped components in both wood, plastic, and metal. I'm going to show you the operation. One part of the head goes one way and the other goes in the opposite direction. This machine can sand about a 1/4 inch up to 1 3/4 inch diameter piece. For more information on this machine and our others, please visit www.colonialmachinerysales.com.